Hi there, welcome to Bainbridge Island. I'm Jason McLennan, Managing Director and Design Director for the studio. We wanted to give you a little insight into our culture and what makes us tick. So come join us on Bainbridge Island. Let's go explore. Hey, let's go for a ride in the electric Jag. 1973 E-Series. The E now stands for electric, fully electrified. The drivetrain with Tesla components, and this whole car is in essence solar powered because I charge it both at the office, which is run off of solar, and at my house, which is run off of solar. So this is a carbon-free, super sexy British car. Bainbridge Island has small town charm, but we are close to Seattle and connected to our projects currently in North and South America. We have lots of interesting residents on the island. Meet our resident troll, for example. And we have access to incredible nature, including amazing forests like this one. Welcome to the Grand Forest. And most importantly, access to Puget Sound and the Salish Sea. This beach is only a couple blocks from our office. Welcome to the Bainbridge Island studio of Perkins&Will, otherwise known as McLennan Design. We're the smallest studio by size. There are currently 16 of us, but we punch well above our weight class and we do work all over the world. This building is a restoration of a 1911 horse stable that was originally built by the U.S. Army and then transferred to the Navy. It is on the local historic registry and is now a net zero solar powered office. Galen will tell you a bit more about it.
My name is Galen Carlson. I'm a designer here at McLennan Design, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our new office space here at Fort Worth on Bainbridge Island. Well, at 1939, at this advent of World War II, this building was sold to the U.S. Navy. And the Navy took ownership of this property and they set up radio intercept operations to listen in on the Japanese as we started World War II. So there's a lot of really interesting military history, and the Navy owned this building up until about the 1970s, until it was largely abandoned and was left vacant until we bought the property in 2015. We fell in love with these two buildings. There's a real inherent beauty in their structure, so we wanted to preserve them and turn them into something beautiful and regenerative. Pretty exciting to see the warm reception to the Phase 1 renovations and the progress on Phase 2. Still a lot of work to happen, but we're just thrilled to be able to preserve and restore these beautiful historic assets.
Even more than our unique office, what makes our studio tick is our people. Let's meet some of the folks in our office.
Hi, my name is Josh Fisher. I'm an associate and director of visualization.
This is Reza Takilui, and I'm a sustainable design advisor.
I'm Johanna Collins. I'm a regenerative design architect.
I'm Stephen Gibson. I'm an architect and sustainability consultant here.
I'm Jay Terrell, the marketing manager.
Hi, I'm Susan Neal, executive assistant to Jason McLennan.
Hi, I'm Susan Roth, and I do graphic design and marketing.
Hello, I'm Dr. Trevor Butler, and I'm a regenerative engineer.
I'm John Nelson. I'm an associate focused on passive strategies and building performance.
I'm Ayushi Modi. I'm working as a sustainable design advisor with the Bainbridge Studio.
Hi, my name is Juan Rovallo. I am the director of ecology.
Hi, I'm Kishore Kandasamy, and I'm a designer.
Hi, I'm Joanna Jenkins, Director of Regenerative Design Certification Lead.
Hello, I'm Phaedra Speck, our Director of Regenerative Design and part of our Kansas City team.
Hello, I'm Dale Duncan. I'm the Principal and the Operations Director for the Bainbridge Island Studio.
Together, this team does incredible green work all over the world. Let's look at some of our projects. So that's a little peek at who we are, what's unique. And come visit us on Bainbridge Island. Until next time, see you soon.